Hi, for all you people who don't know me, my name's Pauline Rogers, and I just wanted to show you this video of me getting my kit last year when I joined this amazing company. So as you can see, we used to get a bag, this gorgeous purple bag that all our goodies came in. Now inside the bag is all the goodies. So you've got a strap, so you can make the bag into a shoulder bag. And this is the 4D. Now I got it before it was even released, so I was really chuffed with that. And then I got a brightening mask. I got an Epic mascara. And 2 splash lipsticks in the colour Stella. Also in the bag I got samples of the lip glosses and our 4 Urology face masks that we had at the time. We had 5 now, but we only had 4 in the kit. And this is the gorgeous charm for my first level, which is white status. And then you get the literature explaining about the Y family and your liquid foundation samples and a catalogue for all those who like to flip through a catalogue and see all the products that we do. So this was my kit last year in April 2019. So at the end of this video I will be showing you the new kit that is April 20. So this is the new kit, guys, and as you can see it is jammed packed with so much more than what I got. You get a box with so much more makeup, and if you was to sign up with me today or to the end of this month in April, you would get an extra £20 credit on your website to spend on whatever you want. And also we have reward links now, and your reward link will have 100 points, and if you qualify your reward links by getting more products, you get it over 200, you will earn yourself some more product credit. But the amount of makeup you get in the new kit compared to what I got, guys, is absolutely amazable. So if you'd like to know more about our kit, then please drop a comment on the end of this video. So as you can see, you get all our lash products, which are absolutely the best selling. The 4D sold out within 3 hours of launching. It has won a award of 2019. And our splash lipsticks. There is just so much in here, guys. And it's £69 and you are getting over £350 worth of products in this kit. So if you want to know more about getting this kit, guys, then please get in contact with me. All take care and talk to you soon. Bye.